Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some new pets that are in Prodigy, so let's just get into the video. So if you go here, there are 3 new pets. They are all based on the pucks, which I will show you in just a second. So the new ones are based off of this. I'm not sure how to get these yet. Maybe they're going to be like a mythical epic or something. Wait, no, not a mythical epic. A month ultimate membership pet. But there are also a lot of possibilities for what that could be because there have been a lot of things. There's also going to be a water puck that is coming out soon, but we aren't going to talk about that right now. I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be battling with these and showing you what these look like. So if we go to info, this is what Lava Puck looks like. It looks pretty cool with the colors, but it kind of looks deformed. So it evolves at level 16. Its element is fire, and I'm not sure what hearts that is. It has 9,303. It does Volcannon, Wildfire, Ion Cannon, and Forest Hurricane. So next up, we are going to be looking at Char Flaria. It has 9,303 hearts, fire element, and evolves at level 30. This one also looks pretty cool. It kind of looks like a skull on the face when you're looking at it from here. So it does Volcannon, Wildfire, Ion Cannon, and Forest Hurricane. I think they all would do that. So next up we have Magma, Ignios, Element, Fire. This one looks really cool. I like the face and stuff. It kind of looks like a bird. And it does the exact same spells. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be battling with these. So I think we are going to first head over to Firefly Forest to do a battle. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and battle Puck. There's something in our... Okay, we aren't going to worry about that. Let's go battle... not sure what this one's called. I think I said it was Puck, but it's not Puck. Let's see which one this is. Skately. So we are going to just go off and use Volcannon. This is greater. So there we go. Okay, so we do Volcannon to this. 4,632. This is actually going to be a pretty powerful pet because it's more on the power side than hearts. Because it's a fire type. Fire types are normally more powerful than other types. So yeah. Okay, we got the answer correct. I think next we are going to battle the Titan because this is probably going to be a little easy and we are not going to be able to get to this at all to see its animation. So now that we have done a battle with Magma, Ignios, these also have like different names and stuff because or like they just have something else at the start like Magma, Char, and Lava. So yeah, we're going to get battle crashes after every single one of our battles because of hacking. Okay, so also don't hack Prodigy. Hacks are actually going to be leaving soon on April 10th. I'm going to be doing a goodbye video for that kind of by doing a I'm going to be editing pets with the hack extension and then battling with them, which should be pretty cool. So let's go ahead and battle the Titan. Okay, so here we are in the battle. We're going to go ahead and use Volcannon because that's the only thing that these pretty much can use. They all do the exact same attacks. And, okay, 3,899. I want Char Flaria to get out at one point so that we can use Puck and see its attack animation. So that's this. Okay, so we do 3,914. Hopefully the Titan can take us out. Okay, 2,615. It should take 2 attacks for him to defeat us. So we are going to use Volcannon. Probably should use Ion Cannon next so that we don't take it out. We shouldn't take it out though. Okay, so we do 3,847, meaning that this pet is actually very powerful against Earth and not very powerful against electric. So we will not take it out. Do 3,864. Hopefully the Titan takes him out. And it missed. We're gonna have to get this question wrong. And let's hope that the Titan will take out Char Flaria. Okay, so it does, meaning that we can put in a lava puck. I just want to see its attack animation. Let's go ahead and use the Volcanon. That would be 12 cows, so the answer is 8. So we did get it correct, and let's see Puck's animation. Not very cool, but at least we did get to see it. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video because the battle crash is about to happen. But yeah, this is a pretty cool pet. Hacks are going to be going, so I will be making a video soon. And yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Only like 9 point something% of you are. So yeah, please subscribe and bye.